Alright, the dishwasher, if you're the first one to use the dishwasher for this day, the instructions are on here. But you are going to first open the dishwasher, put in the strainers, like so. There's 3 of them. And then this is the drain plug. You are going to push this down, close the door, and the lever to fill the dishwasher is here, and you're just going to pull it open. So when the dishwasher is full up to the level, you turn it off, and the level is up to the trays. Then you are ready to turn the dishwasher on, which is this red button. And now you are ready to do dishes. So when you first get here and you are going to start rinsing any dishes or anything, the water will both be off. This is hot, this is cold. Make sure the hot water is on, cold water can stay off. These are cups. And you just make sure that they are all upside down in the tray, and then your other dishes have to be totally rinsed. Like so. And you slide the tray in, close the door all the way down. It will go until the green button is off. So when the green light goes off, you can open the dishwasher, and these are cups, so they will have to get washed twice. But otherwise you would pull the tray out and put your next tray in. But I'm going to slide these back in, so they need to be washed again. So I'm just going to push it on. Okay, silverware, you just dump it out of their container, dump it in here, rinse it all off. And silverware needs to be washed 3 times. 2 times through the dishwasher on here, and then after they come out of here 2 times, you separate forks, knives, and spoons in separate containers and put them back in here and wash them for the 3rd time. When you are done using the dishwasher for the day, the first thing you do, shut the red light off, open your thing, pull the drain up so the water drains out. Remove the screens, put them in the sink. And rinse them out. And also rinse out the dishwasher and the bottom, because a lot of grits and stuff should sink on the bottom. Just make sure it's all cleaned out. Like so. And then when you're done rinsing that, you just close the door and rinse off all your counters. Use the squeegee. And then you can take your screens out and put them up there so you can rinse the sink. Dump anything out of the drain, rinse that. Rinse all the food down the food disposal. Make sure you get all the food out of the sink. And the disposal switch is here. You want to turn that on and run water through that to get all the food out of the drain so it doesn't have any smells for the next day. Shut that off. Put your drain back in. Hang up your squeegee. Okay, so the last thing you do is just shut the water off in case there would be a leak during the night. You are done.